United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea. Article 312, Amendment 1. After the expiry of a period of 10 years from the date of entry into force of this convention, a state party may, by written communication addressed to the Secretary-General of the United Nations, propose specific amendments to this convention, other than those relating to activities in the area, and request the convening of a conference to consider such proposed amendments. The Secretary-General shall circulate such communication to all states parties. If, within 12 months from the date of the circulation of the communication, not less than one-half of the states parties reply favorably to the request, the Secretary-General shall convene the conference. 2. The decision-making procedure applicable at the Amendment Conference shall be the same as that applicable at the Third United Nations Conference on the Law of the Sea unless otherwise decided by the Conference. The Conference should make every effort to reach agreement on any amendments by way of consensus, and there should be no voting on them until all efforts at consensus have been exhausted.